In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate SRT subtitles in Descript. Whether you're creating content for YouTube, educational purposes, or just enhancing the accessibility of your videos, subtitles play a crucial role. They not only make your video more inclusive, but also improve viewer engagement. So let's dive in and see how you can easily generate these subtitles right within Descript. First, let's head over to Descript. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but if you do, go ahead and log in. Once you're logged in, find your way to your account page. From here, you'll have the option to either open an existing project or start a new one. Choose whatever fits your needs at the moment. If you're creating a new project, simply follow the prompts to set it up. Now, with your project open and ready, let's move to the exporting phase. At the top of your screen, you should see an export button. Go ahead and click on that. You'll see a menu with different export options. Among these options, look for and select Subtitles. Clicking here will take you to the subtitle export settings. In this section, we're interested in the subrip subtitle format, often referred to as .srt. The SRT format is universally accepted and can be used on most video platforms, including YouTube and Facebook. Select the SRT option from the list. Next up, you'll need to tailor your subtitles a bit by setting the maximum number of characters per line. This is important because it ensures your text doesn't cover too much of the video screen, maintaining a good viewing experience. Strike a balance that makes reading easy without obstructing visuals. Similarly, adjust the maximum number of lines per card. This ensures that your subtitles are displayed in a manner that's readable and aesthetically pleasing. Generally, 1 or 2 lines per card is a widely used standard, but you can adjust according to your audience and video style. Once you've set up your preferences, you're ready to export your subtitles. At the bottom of this menu, hit the Export button. Depending on your project size, this could take a few moments. Your SRT file will then be downloaded to your designated folder or location. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to generating SRT subtitles using Descript. By following these instructions, you're making your content more accessible and reaching a broader audience. Don't forget to review your subtitles after exporting to ensure accuracy, as this can significantly affect the viewer's experience and understanding. Thank you for tuning in, and happy subtitle creating.